Hey guys, this is Nick from ForexNoobs.com with the weekly analysis for week starting Sunday the 9th of February 2014. You're looking at a Euro USD 8-hour chart, and in this analysis I'm going to share some of my support resistance areas and tell you how I plan to possibly take some reversal trades this week, depending on if price reaches the support resistance areas and how it reacts at these support resistance areas. Now, if you want any clarification on how I trade, you should check out my strategy. It's linked to below. It's completely free, so you could check out my free strategy just to figure out how I actually take these reversal trades, because I'm not actually going to explain how I take the reversal trades in this analysis because it would just take way too long. So I'm going to look at a few pairs today. As you can see, I have quite a lot of pairs down here. I don't really actively trade all these pairs. I just have these pairs open because a lot of the people in the advanced course ask me about various pairs throughout the week, so I tend to open up charts and take a look at different pairs for them and give them advice on different trades. So I don't really actively trade all these pairs, although if I do see a trade come up on one of these pairs, I might be inclined to take it. But I'm not going to do analysis for all these pairs. I'm just going to do a few pairs. We'll see how it goes, how long it takes. We're going to start with Euro USD, obviously, because it's one of the most popular pairs, and it's always at the top of my list of the pairs I look at each week. It hasn't really given us many trades this year. There was a nice daily chart trade here, a nice daily chart short that some people took. I don't think I took this one. But anyway, let's look at the Euro USD 8-hour chart. Now, one more thing. This analysis is equally as valid on the 4-hour chart and the daily chart. We're looking mainly at support resistance areas. The support resistance areas are the same on the 1-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour, and the daily chart. So if you don't have 8-hour charts, don't worry too much about it. I look at 8-hour charts because they're my favorite type of chart. 8-hour charts tend to give me the most consistent trades, most consistently profitable trades, more so than the 4-hour. Pretty much equal to the daily, but there's more trades on the 8-hour than there is on the daily, so I prefer to use the 8-hour. So this analysis is going to be equally as valid on all time frames, so don't worry if you don't have the 8-hour charts. So let's start the analysis. The first area I'm going to be looking at is this one here. It spans between the 136.60 and the 136.80. This is a pretty strong area of resistance. We've had some bounces here recently, like the daily chart trade I showed you a few minutes ago, which was around about here. So this is a pretty strong area of resistance. There are sellers up here and they're looking to jump into the market. They're looking to take price down when buyers get up to here. So if buyers do push up to this level and we do see some signs of indecision, I will be looking to possibly take a short trade here. My biggest worry with taking a short trade here is this area here. Let's call it the 136.10 through to the, let's call it the 135.90 through to the 136.10. There is some minor support resistance in this area and it could affect price as it comes down. We saw that here actually. You can see when price came down here, it bounced from around this area, moved back up, and then it continued down. So if I am taking a short, I am going to be concerned about this area. I might exit part of my position in this area. The next area to the long side that I'm looking at is the 138.00 through to the 138.20. That's this one here. This is another pretty strong area of resistance. There are probably sellers grouped up here. So if buyers manage to break this first area and come up to here, I'll be looking for some signs of indecision here, and I'll be looking to take a possible short reversal trade here. The next area is the 139.00 through to the 139.20. That's this one here. This again is another strong area. If buyers push up to here this week, I will be looking for some signs of indecision. I'll be looking to take a short reversal trade. We'll take a look at some of the support resistance areas to the short side. So the first area we have on the short side is the 134.80 through to the 135.00. That's this one here. This has acted as support recently. It's acted as quite strong support recently through here. You can see sellers came down to here. They tried to break through, but they couldn't quite manage it, and buyers pushed back up. So if if sellers push down to here again, I'm going to be looking for buyers to enter the market. I'll be looking for some signs of indecision here. I'll be looking to take a long reversal trade. Next support area we have is down here at the 133.60 through to the 133.80. Again, this is quite a strong area of support. There are buyers down here. So if sellers manage to break through the first area, come down to here, I'll be looking for signs of indecision here. I'll be looking to enter a long reversal trade here. If you don't know what indecision is, again, go to the link below and check out my strategy. It's free. It's a simple, straightforward price action strategy, and you'll learn what indecision is and how to trade reversals. We'll take a quick look at GBP/USD. Okay, so GBP/USD is hitting into an area of resistance at the moment. So it's hitting this area of resistance right here. Let's switch to the 8-hour chart real quick. So I won't actually be looking for any trades to start off the week here, because I have a general rule that I don't take 8-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour chart trades where the preceding trend formed before the weekend. So this preceding trend here is the trend leading up to the resistance area. This formed on Friday. So I won't be looking to take a trade from this level on Monday. But certainly, if price does push away from this level and it comes back up to it, then I'll consider taking a trade here. So this is the 164.10 through to the 164.30. That's the first area of resistance. If price pushes away from it enough and then comes back up, I'll be looking for signs of indecision, and I'll be looking to take a short reversal trade. The next level is the 165.60 through to the 165.80. This one here. If buyers push up to here, I'll be looking for sellers to enter the market, so I'll be looking for signs of indecision. I'll be looking to take a short reversal trade. This is quite a good area of resistance, although last few times buyers did manage to break through it pretty convincingly. So it's not looking like it's going to be too strong, but it does have a lot of history. So I will still be treating this as a support resistance area. I'll be treating it as an area of resistance in this case. So if we do get indecision there, I will be looking to take a short. We'll just look at one more up top here. 167.10 through to the 167.30. That's another strong resistance area. Sellers here. If buyers manage to get up here this week, which they probably won't, but if they do, I'll be looking to take a short reversal trade. Let's quickly look at some stuff to the short side. We got the let me get my highlight tool. We got the 162.40 through to the 162.60. This one here. There are groups of buyers down in this level. We've seen that recently with these bounces here. So if sellers manage to push down to here and we get some nice strong signs of indecision, I'll be looking to take a bullish reversal trade. I'll be looking to buy with the buyers down here and ride the trend up at least until here. We've got below that the 161.10 through to the 161.30. So that's another strong area of support. If sellers manage to push down, I'll be looking for buyers to enter the market around about here. So I'll be looking for a bullish reversal trade. We haven't got anything else to the short side at the moment. But I will be updating the support resistance areas if price moves down any further. Let's take a quick look at EUR/JPY. That'll be the last pair we look at in this analysis. I might do some analysis later on in the week for some different pairs, but let's take a quick look at EUR/JPY. So with EUR/JPY, first area of resistance is the 140.10 through to the 140.30. This one here. It's a pretty strong area of resistance. If buyers push up to here, I'll be looking to enter a short reversal trade. Let's switch this to the 8-hour. Above that, we have the 141.10 through to the 141.30. So that's exactly 100 pips above the previous one down here. So if buyers push up to this level here, I'll be looking to enter a short reversal trade. This is a pretty strong area of resistance. I mean, if you look here, we had a very strong bounce there, and when price broke up through here, it tried to get back down and it didn't manage for a long time. So I am expecting a lot of sellers up in this area. So if buyers do manage to get up to here and we do spot some signs of indecision up here, I'll definitely be looking to take a short trade. We'll also be looking to take a short up here at the 142.20 through to the 142.40. So watch out for this area too. Let's take a quick look at the areas below. Let me remove these drawings. Okay, so 138.70 through to the 138.90. I won't be looking to take a trade here at the start of the week. Price is too close to this level, so if it drops down, I won't be convinced enough by the preceding trend to actually take a long trade here, because when you're taking a reversal trade, you want a strong preceding trend, because if the preceding trend starts here, and then we're trying to take a reversal, so we're trying to take a bullish reversal, it's not really reversing from anything. If you get what I mean, price hasn't moved enough for it to actually be a reversal trade. To get a reversal trade, you need a significant preceding trend, then you need indecision, then you need the reversal. If the preceding trend starts down here, it's not really a bearish preceding trend. Sellers haven't really moved a long way. They haven't moved enough to consider a reversal if buyers take control of the market. So I'm pretty much going to be ignoring this level here, the 138.70 through to the 138.90, unless price keeps moving up and then drops back down to it, because then that would give us enough of a preceding trend. So if price keeps moving up, drops down to it, be looking for some signs of indecision, be looking to take a bullish reversal trade. The 137.50 through to the 137.70, this one here, price went through it pretty quickly last time. I mean, it did have a bit of resistance here, but it went through it pretty quickly otherwise. On its way back up, it did struggle here, come back down, and then it struggled slightly here before pushing up. So it doesn't seem like a very strong area of support resistance, but nonetheless, I'll be looking for some signs of indecision here. Be looking for buyers to enter the market if sellers manage to push down to here. Be looking for buyers to enter the market here. I'll be looking for a strong bullish reversal trade if I do get indecision. So that's pretty much it for the analysis this week. I will probably be looking at some more pairs midweek. I'll be giving you some more analysis. So mainly this week, going to be looking for some reversal trades at the support resistance areas. So thank you for watching the analysis. I hope you learned something and have a great trading week.